So let's do just one more. We're going to do nickel this time. I want you to stop the video and do it yourself, and then you could restart the video and watch me do it. Nickel is right here on the periodic table. You want to mark up your periodic table like this with the S, the D, and the P groups, and with the rows labeled 1 through 7. And then the D rows one less. So the fourth row has a 3, the fifth row has a 4, and so forth. So stop the video. Okay, so hopefully you have done the exercise, and let's see if we get the same answer. I'll move my paper up here so we can use it. We're going to start on the first row. The first row is a 1, S, and there are 2 boxes, so we're doing nickel. We have a 1, S, 2. Then we go to the second row, we have 2, and it's an S block first, and there are 2 electrons in that S block. Also on the 2 row, we have P's, so we'll have a 2P, and there's 6 boxes here. On the third row, we have 3S, and there are 2 boxes. Also on that third row, we have P's. So there's also a 3P, and there's 6 boxes here, so we get 6. The fourth row, we've got 4S, and there are 2 of them, so 2. And then we get the 3D. So we have a 3D, and then we're going to count the number of boxes that are filled. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, there are a couple exceptions on this row, but I'm not going to hold you accountable for them. Copper and chromium, wherever it is, are both don't follow the rules. But we'll only worry about the ones that follow the rules. Now, if we want to write the abbreviated, we'll go back to argon, and we'll say that all of this is the same as argon. And then we'll just have to write the 4s2 3d8. That does make it easier. Okay.